Okay, I'm actually filming this my last day, but this is my first YouTube video, and I came on a solo vacation to Paradero, Todos, Santos. Here's the view, and I will be reviewing it and showing you guys my whole experience in this video. Overall, it's my last day. Highly recommend. I was here solo. There were families here. There was a bachelorette trip here. It looked like everyone was having an amazing time. So stay tuned and keep watching for more details. I like this dual capture, but I have my hot chile, my chips, and my tuna crispy rice, which is good. And there's some clubby music playing. And then obviously I got a beach chair. It's a little crowded, but drive. I've got like 40 minutes to go, but basically this hotel has been on my list for a while. It's in the middle of nowhere, not really, but it's next to Todos Santos, a bit more of a remote location. It's supposed to be luxury, like a luxury escape. A lot of planned activities. I've been pretty tired with work, if not sort of burnt out, and I'm starting a new job soon, so I wanted to treat myself to a little getaway, and I've been following this hotel on social media for a little bit. Really curious how it's gonna go because it's a bit landlocked, but I do have a car. It seems like there'll be a mix of both downtime, and then if you want to do things like a yoga class, a surf class, a cooking class, farming class, it's all included. I did not get the unlimited plan, which is all food and drink included. I just got the basic plan, which is some activities included and then some food and drink. And the reason for that is I'm not a big drinker, and I'm only by myself, but I think it would be a really good deal to do it if you drink a lot. And then the other thing that's interesting is they do cover like bringing you to the beach and things like that, but I figured it would be easier to have my own car for flexibility just in case I get there and I don't want to be so landlocked. But yeah, it was crazy. Like, it's already a little expensive, but to get to and from the airport, which is like an hour and a half drive, I originally wanted to get a shuttle, and it was going to be almost $300 one way, which is insane because it cost me like $250 to rent this car. So basically, if you're going to this hotel, you should drive yourself because I don't think the transit is worth it. This is the view of the garden suite. Isn't that amazing? It comes with a little bathtub, and then the bathroom is over here, some products, and a shower. Unbeatable view, and the room is actually here. So, I'll show you all with my iPhone. That's the room. There's AC. I think some people look for things like a mini fridge or other things. It's a little lacking in that regard, but hand-picked flowers that she showed me. We get to take the hats home, so seems pretty comfortable, and I'm excited to try out the activities and basically enjoy this view for the rest of my stay. Okay, I'm at the hotel, walking around, just taking it in. Like, look at this cool mirrored backdrop. I think it really accentuates the natural environment, and I think if you can see, it's pretty natural. It feels like you're on a hike or in a cactus garden, and then the hotel is to the right. So if you're not into the outdoors, it's not for you, but I'm finding it pretty relaxing thus far. feels like no one is here, which is lovely. And I am loving that I got a room with a tub, this hot tub, because I have the outdoors, and then I also love the beach and I love being in water, but we don't have that here, so I'm really glad that I got that out of a hotel room. Already feeling very restored, so very grateful that I have the opportunity to come stay here. And I'm trying a few things. This is the Way like summer scent kit, and I was always going into Sephora and getting this St. Bart scent and like spraying it on myself and walking out. So I don't know, it smells kind of super sweet. Like it reminds me a little bit of like the pink Victoria's Secret middle school scents, which sounds like a drag, but I don't know, when it's more like diffused, it smells like coconut, it smells like summer, and it's a hair and body mist, and I like it. So maybe this is me indulging middle school me, but if you like coconut and you like sort of saccharine, very sugary scents, I recommend. And then also, the other one in the store that I really liked was the Santorini scent, which I'm not gonna spray because that would be too much mixing. But this one smells really fresh and clean. And again, yeah, call me middle school girl. I'm almost 30, but the Way fragrance mist perfume sampler, I feel like would be a really fun gift for either a 16-year-old or someone in your life who is okay with like pretty sweet scents, but I don't know, feeling kind of playful. Currently in my hotel room bed, super comfortable. It's an interesting adjustment because it's like I'm in a very modern, high quality room, and then you just go outside and it's like you're a bit in the wilderness. So it's like open air. You can hear the animals, you can see the stars, you can see the moon, which is very special. But you have to go outside to go to the bathroom. So some people may not like that, but I feel cozy. So anyway, I'm excited. I think the rest of the week will be very restorative. I was WhatsApping with the concierge, and there are a bunch of activities that they offer. Some of them are already sold out. So sold out is not the right word. Some of them are already booked up, so we'll see if I can get them. I wanted to do a sunset beach experience tomorrow, but it's already full. So I think tomorrow I'm actually doing a little bit of work. Then I might go into town, we'll see. And then Wednesday I'm gonna do a surf lesson and then a cooking class, all included. And we'll see if I can do both. Thursday I'm trying to do yoga and an art walk in Todos, Santos. Friday I'm trying to do a yoga class and maybe something else, I forget. And then Saturday I'm going to attempt to do an early morning hike before I go, because I do want to hike in the area. And again, these were all guided by the staff here. They will take you and lead the way. So I am very much a self-guided person, but I do like the idea of having something completely taken care of, which is really, really nice on a vacation. So that's what I'm doing. I'll vlog more tomorrow.